ever use the Benjamin Franklin method to close a new client?
Welcome to Love of Business. I'm Crystal.
And I'm Sunshine. Let's get to it. Benjamin Franklin method. Like, is in like the $100 bill method?
Well, he's on the $100 bill.
Right. He wasn't even a president. But at any rate, what is this method? I mean, sha.
So Ben Franklin had a method to do when he had to make a really important decision. And so he would take one column and list all the pros of that decision.
Okay.
Then he would do a con list of all the cons to make that decision.
So positive and negative.
Yep. Then he would assess if there were more pros, he'd move forward. If there were more cons, he would not move forward.
Oh, okay. I've got a pros and cons list that I use, but I didn't know it was called the Benjamin Franklin method.
It is. But what's exciting is you can use it to close clients.
All right, and I bet you're going to tell us how, right?
That's right. So how to use the Ben Franklin method to close clients. So it's the same method, but you have your client write down the pros of buying from you and the cons of buying from you, and have them read it out loud afterwards so it becomes their decision to close themselves on you.
So twist into that pain on the cons list and the pros list. Just twist into it, right? Mm-hmm. What's your number one takeaway from today's video? Leave us a comment and thanks for watching.